Want to take this off first. So you're going to take an 8mm. Gonna loosen that up, boom. Once you loosen that up, just go ahead and just move this right here out your way like this right here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, guys, what you want to do is take your plug off, boom. Take it off right there like that, guys. Boom, 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 boom. So what you want to do too, guys, is take this right here off too, so you see what you can do. See what you're doing all the way. See what you're taking apart. So you want to just take that right off like that right there, boom. Boom, 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 and then you want to take the top box off like this right here, boom, 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 boom. Come on, man, holla at your boy, man. I do this shit for fun. I do this shit for KK. Baby, Big Money Drake Draco. Okay, so what we have right here is a star right there. Y'all see that, right? Yeah. It's gonna take me long. You hear me?
Yeah.
Literally gonna take me long. You ready?
Yeah.
So what you want to do now is that's the elbow side. Right there, right there. Boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. So now you have more access to everything over here. So what you want to do is take your 8mm and loosen that hose up. I already did that. And you got to loosen up a little bit more. All I'm doing is loosening it up with the 8mm, guys. With this another one. Connect the hose out there. There's gonna be some coolant that's gonna come out. So don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Alright, guys, so we can get to it now. So now what I'm doing, guys, is taking this right here. Squeeze this right here, guys. I'm gonna slide this hose right here off, right here, guys. As you can see, no cooler gonna come out. All right, let it be. It's gonna be all right, man. All right, man. Just let the coolant fall out all over your body. It's gonna be all right, man. All right, so we got that one out the way, guys. All right, guys, and we got these two right here. These 1 and 2 in the back. Take that right here, guys. So we just gonna grab this right here, just like that right now. It's one of these pick forks. I call them pick forks. I don't know what y'all call them. So something just fall up like that right there, guys. And you can see that one right there came off, guys. It's the top one. Gotta get the bottom one, my friend. I'm almost there. Got my baby girl recording me. My camera woman, as always, Kiana. See the bottom down here, right here, guys. I gotta get her. So calm down. Calm down. I'm gonna put some muscle into it, man. Ooh, come on. Oh, that good cooling, man. Falling down, man. Gotta put some good cooling on it. See how easy this is right now. My daughter Kiana, who I was recording, she was like, "Dad, let me take a spin at it." Go ahead, boo. So those bolts right there are a 10mm. So as you see it comes out, it's pretty long. Keep going. All right, Kiana, pull it out, boo. Yep. Boom. Where we put that bolt at? We'll grab it and put it at. Boom. My daughter can do it. Okay, show them the next bolt. So, yep. You see that next bolt right there? Look. My daughter doing it. If my daughter can do it, man, y'all guys can do it too. If she can do it, y'all can do it too. Boom. All right. So the next bolt was behind the between it. So y'all see how she put that curve to it? All right. Oh, yeah. So what she gonna do now is she putting that curve to it, right? So it's on right. So you see it right there? All right. So she gonna let that. Yep. Now put your hand on the screw. Yep. Put your hand on the screw. Yep. It's not going out. It's not going out. Wait. All right. So she did that right there. So what you want to do now, guys, is since all that's off, you want to take the thermostat too. Take this plug out the way. The thermostat housing. Make sure ain't no other plugs in the thermostat housing. It's plugged up. So what you want to do now, guys, is just gently just watch it fall apart. Watch it just come off, guys. Watch it just gently just come off, guys. Just like that right there, guys. And it may have a yep, see? Yep. Be careful, guys. Yep. See, it has the that rubber piece right there on it. So yeah, be careful, guys. So it just come off just like that right there. Okay, guys, you see the thermostat and that rubber gasket right there? What you want to do is put that back in the housing. So you want to put the new thermostat back in the circular hole and the rubber gasket back in the square looking hole. And this is the housing right here. Come on, so be careful, guys. And as you can see, it's full of yeah, that stuff. So this is the housing right here, guys. So looks pretty good to me, guys. There you go, Kim. Right. So guys, you see how that's stuck in there, guys? So I'm trying to see, I'll take it out with my hand. Oh, I took it out with my hand, guys. So as you notice, guys, all right, see this rubber piece right here, guys, it got stuck. So I just took it off. I'm just gonna gently put it back in place. Now, guys, is take the secondary one off. This right here. It's a size 10 too. Well, easy, just like that, guys. Just like that, guys. Don't worry about mixing these bolts up, guys. They're gonna come off the same. So what you wanna do, guys, is boom. Take that off just like that right there, guys. Just like that. The same way it came off, just like that, boom. I'll put that right there, guys. Oh. Alright, this thermostat had trash all in it. Came out just like that. Alright, guys, if you can tell, look. Tell me which thermostat looks bad. Come on, man, you can see it, man. This one. Look at the top of the head on there. Even if I turn around this way, look at the top of the head, man. The head is whomped out. And I don't even want to go down. I don't even want to go down. It's so hard. So when you put the new one in there, guys, see, they don't tell you this on YouTube. Some people don't tell you this. You see you see that little nub right there? I don't know if y'all can see that little nub right there. You see that little nub right here? Yeah. It's a little nub right here where it's supposed to go back in at, right here. The same way I took everything off, the same way you put everything back on, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to Family of the Jacks.